Want to speak real Korean from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at KoreanClass101.com.
Hi everyone! Welcome to the Korean whiteboard lesson. My name is Keijin. 안녕하세요, Keijin입니다. In this lesson, you learn how to use greetings and parting expressions in Korean. Let's get started. Okay, so let's look at some expressions. First, we have 안녕하세요. 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 It means hello, and it's a standard way to say hello. It's polite enough to use it to someone who you don't know very well, or friendly enough to use someone who you are close to. So, 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 안녕. 안녕 is informal way to say hello. So it's like hi in English. Or you can also use it when you say bye. So informal way to say bye in Korean is 안녕. 안녕. This is very useful because you can say hello or bye with this one word. 안녕. How about this one? 좋은 아침이에요. 좋은 아침이에요. 좋은 아침이에요. It means good morning. This is not traditional expression in Korean. This is probably from the English word good morning. So it's not as common as these two words. 안녕하세요, 안녕. These are much more common than 좋은 아침이에요. 좋은 literally means good. 좋은, 좋은. 아침, 아침, 아침 means morning. 이에요 is from the verb 이다, 이다. Technically, it's a particle, but it acts like a verb. In English, it's similar to be verb, be. 좋은 아침이에요. So it literally means it's a good morning. 좋은 아침이에요. Informally, you can also say 좋은 아침, 좋은 아침, 좋은 아침. So you omit this part, 이에요, and just say 좋은 아침. So these are the phrases you need to memorize when you say hello in Korean. Then how about goodbye? Goodbye in Korean, there are many different expressions. First, we have 잘 자요, meaning good night. 잘 자요, 잘 자요. 잘, 잘. It literally means well. 잘, 잘. 자요 means to sleep, to sleep. So it literally means sleep well. Sleep well in Korean is 잘 자요, 잘 자요. It's polite expression. How about this? 또 봐요, 또 봐요, 또 봐요. It means see you again. 또 means again. 또 봐요 means to see, to watch, to look. So 또 봐요 means see you again, see you again. Next, we have 다음에 봐요. 다음에 봐요. 다음에 봐요. 다음에 means next time. 다음에 means next time. 다음 is next time and 에 is particle for time. 다음에, so in English, it's more like on next time. So 에 is like on or at, and this is a particle for time. For example, instead of next time, you want to say, see you on Monday. Monday in Korean is 월요일. 월요일, 월요일. So instead of next time, which is 다음, you can just say 월요일에 봐요. Means see you on Monday. Or how about this? You want to meet the person at 5 p.m. 5 p.m. 5 o'clock in Korean is 5시. 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 So instead of 다음, you can put 5시 and say 에, the particle for time. 봐요, 봐요. 5시에 봐요 means see you at 5 o'clock. So you put the time word here and say 에 봐요. 다음에 봐요. Next, we have 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. It means goodbye. Oh, then do you see this? We have one more goodbye. 안녕히 가세요. So we have exactly same meaning, but there is slight difference. Let's look at this. 안녕히, 안녕히, 안녕히. It means in peace. 계세요, 계세요, 계세요 is very polite form of 있다. 있다 is from 있다. 있다 meaning to stay. 계세요 is honorific form of 있다. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. It literally means stay in peace. Stay in peace. Goodbye. Stay in peace. 안녕히 계세요. How about this one? We have this in peace and 가세요. 가세요 is honorific way to say go. Go in Korean is 가다, right? 가다. But we are using 가세요 is very honorific expression. 안녕히 가세요. So it literally means go in peace. Go in peace. So can you guess what it means? As you can see here, this person stayed in this place and then now leaving and I want to say bye. So this person is leaving and saying this phrase to someone staying. Again, this person is leaving. Hey, I'm leaving. Bye. And then this person is saying bye to someone who is staying. That's why this person is saying, hey, stay in peace. Stay in peace. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. And this person is saying, go in peace. Go in peace, right? Because this person is going, leaving, and you are still staying. This person is staying and saying this phrase to someone leaving. So you say, 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. So 안녕히 계세요 is used by someone who is leaving and this person is saying this phrase to someone who is staying. 안녕히 가세요 is passive, right? This person is staying and saying this phrase to someone who is leaving. 안녕히 가세요. And these are very, very polite. This is polite. How can you say informally? 잘 자요. 잘 자요. Just remove 요. Then you say 잘 자. 잘 자. It's informal way to say good night. Here, you omit 요 at the end. 또 봐. 또 봐 is informal way to say see you again. Here too. Omit this. 다음에 봐 is informal way to say see you next time. Here, so can I say 안녕히 계세? 안녕히 가세? No, this is honorific form, so we have different expression. So this person will be saying 잘 있어 or 요 잘 있어요. 잘 means we saw it here, right? It means well. 있어 means stay, so it literally means stay well, stay well. 잘 있어 is informal. 잘 있어요 is still friendly but it's polite. 잘 있어요. This is 잘 가요. And this person will be saying 잘 가. 잘 means well. 가 means go. So it literally means go well. 잘 가 is informal and 잘 가요, 잘 가요 is friendly enough but still is polite. 잘 가요. And these two are very polite. It's honorific expression. And for good night, there is also honorific expression that you can use it to your grandparents or your boss or professor, someone who is higher position than you. then you can say 안녕히 주무세요. 안녕히 주무세요. 안녕히 주무세요. So it's another form which is very formal. 잘 자요 is friendly, polite. 잘 자 is informal. So we learned greetings and parting greetings that are commonly used in Korea. Okay, let's look at the dialogue. Two neighbors are passing each other in the lobby of their apartment building. Please find what greetings are used in the dialogue and how they are used. Okay, so let's look at it. 안녕하세요. 안녕. One more time. 안녕하세요. 안녕. 안녕하세요. Do you remember what it is? 안녕하세요. It means hello. It's a polite way to say hello. 안녕하세요. 안녕. 안녕 is informal way to say hello, just like hi in English, right? 안녕. By looking at this dialogue, I can already guess their relationship. So, 안녕하세요. The person who said this phrase is probably younger because this person is using the polite language. This person is trying to be polite. How about this? 안녕. It's informal language, right? Meaning this person is probably older. So this person is using the informal language to the person who is younger. So 안녕하세요. 안녕. Just by looking at this, you can even guess their age. Keep in mind that bowing is a big part of Korean culture. Bowing shows humility and respect. The amount of time you hold your bow displays the intent and purpose of your greeting. The longer you hold your bow, the more respect and humility it conveys. Also, the angle of your bow shows how much respect you are expressing with your greeting. The most common one is short, quick bow like a note. You use it when you say hello or goodbye politely. 안녕하세요. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 가세요. When you say hello or goodbye casually, you just wave your hands. 안녕. 잘 있어. 잘 가. 또 봐. 다음에 봐. Do you remember the polite way to say hello? 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. And the informal way to say hi or bye? 안녕. 안녕. Do you remember how to say good morning? 좋은 아침이에요. 좋은 아침이에요. And how to say good night? 잘 자요. 잘 자요. Do you remember the polite way to say goodbye to someone staying when you leave? 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. And the polite way to say goodbye to someone leaving while you stay? 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. Do you remember the polite way to say see you again? 또 봐요. 또 봐요. And the polite way to say see you next time. 다음에 봐요. 다음에 봐요. That's it for this lesson. In this lesson, we've learned greetings and parting greetings in Korean. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Keijin, and I'll see you on KoreanClass101.com. 다음 시간에 봐요.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description. Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.